Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up your lock screen in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to the separation, slide up, go to settings, then go to the display and touch, click on it, and there is a lock screen, so click on it. And as you see from here, you can adjust your lock screen to your own preference, like add user from the lock screen. You can add some text on your lock screen. You can use device control if you wish on the lock screen. You can make some shortcuts of your lock screen. Flashlight. You can have a dynamic lock here. Enable it or disable it. Lock size change according to your lock screen. You can set up now playing option of your lock screen. You can have also always show time and info. And wake up screen for notification. Yep. So let's take a look how it looks like here. It's something like that. Error, flashlight. That's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.